So Sora 2 just dropped and everyone's been going crazy over it.
Announcement in 3, 2, 1. I'm gay.
I have a dream that tongue, Sahara will get a low taper fade.
That's gotta be illegal.
And we need to face the facts. If you're a YouTuber or plan to be one, you might be cooked.
Last spin, let's run it, my big one.
Wait, the voice is actually good, what?
Because not only can Sora 2 generate gameplay footage with AI, it can also generate the gamer with a fully emotional voiceover.
Alright chat, first stream of the day. Look at this infinite cube farm we call a world.
No wonder some creators are going crazy because let's be honest, they're not that hard to replace. And now, ChatGPT literally has its own slop talk feed. Instead of scrolling TikTok or Shorts, scroll through AI videos. What's next? AI YouTube, AI Twitch, AI Netflix, AI cinema? The way technology is going, it's not highly unrealistic to assume that we can prompt Netflix to give us Jason Bourne in space and have a full movie ready to watch in no time.
Generating.
That's wild.
And honestly, I think this is a good thing. And I'm gonna let Casey Neistat explain this part.
Until like 1980, it was really hard to make content. I think making pictures is easy. Back in the 30s, it was a grind. You needed the idea, an education, money, gear. These cameras weighed 100 pounds and hummed like jet engines. Filmmaking expertise, actors or subjects, you needed a film crew. Because of all that, the amount of content being made was small, and the amount of good content being made was much smaller. These kinds of movies rarely got made. Then you throw TikTok in, and you barely need anything to create. The top of the funnel got huge, but the quality of the content... Moving these friction points from filmmaking or content creation, it makes self-expression available to everyone, and I love that.
And as I was watching some videos, I realized something. Like, dude, you can nowadays replicate a whole animation studio with just some taps on your keyboard. You literally have over 40 overworked and underpaid Asian animators at your fingertips 24/7. It's easier than ever to create great content. What if I wanted to create a short film and I thought having a car crash scene would be cool, but I didn't have the budget? I could use AI. This scene of Rambo cost over $1 million, and if AI keeps improving at this rate, you could replicate it just for some measly coins in some AI software. So yes, AI will replace you if you have no personality, nothing entertaining to say, or just suck as a content creator. But I believe that the YouTubers who can adapt, the creative ones, the directors, the ones with a connection to the audience, will be the ones using AI to make their jobs easier and create even better content. Or the machines will go crazy and kill us all. Well, I'll see you in 5 years if we're not dead, I guess.
Do not read him! Do not read him! Man! Do not read him! Do not